Be honest. How many times have you had an amazing idea for a video, but no camera, no editing skills, and no time to actually make it happen? It's frustrating, right? Well, imagine typing just one sentence and watching it instantly turn into a professional quality animation. No stress, no wasted hours, just pure creativity brought to life. That's exactly what Kling AI can do. Welcome to Next Gen AI Lab, the channel where I show you the smartest AI tools to create faster, work smarter, and stay ahead of the curve. If that's what you're looking for, hit subscribe now, because in this video, I'm walking you step by step through Kling AI so you can start turning your ideas into reality today. All right, let me show you how to access and explore Kling AI. First, open your browser and search for Kling AI on Google. It should show up right at the top. Just click on the first result, and you'll land on the official homepage. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of demo videos created by other users. I recommend checking out a few of them. The animation quality is seriously impressive. What's cool is, each video shows the exact prompt used to create it, so you can instantly see how others are writing prompts and get inspiration for making your own videos fast and easy. Now, before doing anything, just hit sign in or create a free account on the left sidebar. It takes like 10 seconds, and once you're in, the fun begins. You'll notice two main tools in the AI generation section. Image under Colors 2.1. To create crazy good AI art video under Kling 2.1, where we'll be turning text into full-blown animated clips. Click on AI Video, then choose Text to Video. This is where the real fun begins. For example, create a video of a footballer farming in a lush green field, wearing his iconic jersey with a calm yet determined expression. Cool, right? Now let's fine-tune the settings. Video mode, choose Standard, Quick, or Professional, Sharper. Duration, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, up to you. Aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. Number of outputs, want more versions to pick from? Set it here. Creativity level, more realism or more style? You control the vibe. You'll also see a negative prompt box. This is where you say what you don't want in your video. Things like animation, blur, distortion, cartoon, collage, logos. Once everything looks good, just smash that bright green Generate button and let Kling cook. Now, we've reached the part where I would normally demo how to create an actual video using Kling AI. But at the moment, the system is overloaded, so I'm not able to generate it right now. That said, I've already shown you all the steps. Just follow them, and you'll be able to create your own video as soon as the system is back online. I'll update with a full demo video as soon as Kling is working again. If you learned something new today, or even just got a cool idea to try, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This channel's all about helping you create smarter with AI, save time, and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating.